Okay guys, if you guys saw last video, I have been having contractions and I was taken to hospital. Once they strapped me to the monitor, I was actually having those contractions. My OB actually said to me that she thought baby would be here either the following day or this week. We're still in the same week that I'm filming this.
I actually have to hurry up because I've got a driver outside waiting for me. Guys, I'm sorry I've not been filming lately. I've been away on a work trip. I'm in Belize right now. Look at this. There's my driver down there, Charles. Been filming in Belize, been filming a TV show for Channel 4. And I was meant to come back in like 3 or 4 days time. We've had to bring it forward because Kim rang me the other night and she was kind of having like contractions. This is the quickest I can get back. It's such a long flight. I've got to go from here to Miami, Miami to Dallas, Texas, Dallas to Tokyo, Tokyo to the Philippines, and then yeah, I'm there. So hopefully I get there on time for the baby.
It's now been a few days and baby's still not here. You can easily research like how to speed up labor and they'll talk about doing exercises and everything, but then when I've been searching like how to kind of slow it down, there's not much on it because who wants to slow down their labor? Nobody. But you guys know I have been waiting for Tom to arrive, and the moment that he gave me a date of his arrival, I have been aiming for that date. I have basically been laying in bed, chilling, relaxing, taking the pressure off of like the pelvic area. I think that's like the correct term. Just because every time I'm standing or walking, I feel like it increases the contractions, the pain is really intense. And so the more that I've been resting, I kind of feel like it's slowed down the contractions. And I know like nature's nature, baby will come at the right time. But just by being in control of my body, it means that hopefully Tom will be here on time for the arrival of our baby, which, you know, that is my biggest goal because I really want to have him here. Tom is now currently on the plane. He's traveling, he's got like 4 flights from Belize to Miami. Then he's like staying in Miami overnight, which is amazing. Day before his flight, I was just like praying, come on, like I just need him on a flight. No flights available. Some flights were taking a lot, the layovers were a lot longer, and it was just trying to work it out. Luckily the production team, they've got coordinators that work out all the logistics of everything, and Tom's been telling me that they've been doing everything that they can to get Tom back. So it's like emergency trying to get him back because really he should still be out there filming. I didn't want to rush him, especially because he's in a contract and I just wanted to be really supportive. But then it got to the point when my contractions just started feeling a bit more intense. I just said, look, I really need you to get back, especially because obviously we've got the kids here, and I just don't want to be on my own. And the feeling and the idea of being on my own in the delivery room just felt a bit like not something that I wanted to do.
I've been travelling for about 3 days, it feels like. I'm in the airport, about to board the final flight to Manila. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 6 p.m. I'm so tired. Oh my god. 6 p.m. I land at almost 10 p.m. Philippines time. And then back home. Just in time for the birth. Hopefully, unless she's gone into labour.
I am really excited for Tom to arrive. The last few days have been super intense. I feel like I'm living in a movie, you know, when the woman's literally about to give birth and the husband's like rushing, trying to get home. Like, I feel like I'm living that scene currently. This baby is going to wait for his dad, and it's going to happen all within perfect timing. And we've got these really amazing friends who are just so positive in every way, and they were literally saying to us, no, like, baby is going to wait. And I was like, they're the words that I really need to hear right now. Only a few more hours to go. Let's just hope it stays like this, and then the moment he's here, guys, baby could come.
Wow, Superman! They're so cool. Should we go jump on the chin with us? Yeah? Oh, then his mouth. His mouth. I think we can smudge the house.
Smudge stick. Wow.
You mustn't necklace.
I got a necklace. Wow.
And you got two.
Thank you,
You got two.
So update, guys, I am still pregnant and Tom has finally arrived, which has been the biggest relief ever. The contractions have slowed down, but it still exists, but not as strong as it was. Our wonderful friends have decided to organize a mini, I would say baby shower, but it's like a lovely dinner, and they'll be coming around, and it'll be really nice to just have their company. And to be honest, like, if I could be grateful for anything, it really is that we found such amazing friends here in Manila who really care. It'll be really lovely to have them around, and it will be our first dinner here in the house, which will be really, really nice. So we've got that to look forward to, but I'll continue keeping you guys updated. But for now, baby boy is still in my belly, and he definitely waited for daddy.
Happy baby shower.
Oh, thank you. I didn't even know it was going to be a baby shower, but it turns out that our friends surprised us, which is super cute because they've ordered my favorite Greek food, cakes, a chocolate cake, shepherd's pie. Rochelle ordered, I think Rochelle got some beautiful, and do you know what's so amazing? She got these beautiful cupcakes. She ordered them last night, and the bakery lady said, you need 3 days. And she said, I'm a regular customer, you best make them. She said, okay. So
Super
these
fast.
are the friends. Oh, look at so many gifts, and I've got gifts that I'm going to open them all together, but very last minute. So I've got such amazing friends. So I'm going to open this as soon as we have some cake.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Hello. These are the amazing friends.
Table number 1.
I know. It's a boy. It's a boy. Yeah, you need 2 tits. We saw you the creator baby. The creator baby, you need 2 tits. Parang bawal yun sa ano.
Pero monetize.
That's what you call evolution of man. That's how we evolve. By reproducing out of your
I was like blowing the balloon there. I was hiding it. Imagine how low you are, Kim. Yeah. And then when I heard you coming out, I even sneaked all the way on the wall.
Kim is coming, blow.
And the straw was like this here. Diba you insert the straw? And then Ate Michelle was like, yeah, Ate Michelle was like, okay ka lang, ma. Okay lang. I want to show you a lot.
I'll pick you up.
And we keep on messaging. I created a group chat.
911.
911 group.
Cool.
Like a child. We never done this, did we?
Happy baby shower.
Okay, this is baby shower.
Happy baby shower.
Yeah. Baby's first toy. Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Love. Music box.
oh, sick.
Look at them just taking stuff.
Oh, them. Ano yun?
We had a selfie when she was in the instead of me taking a picture of her.
Hi, baby. Do you want to help me?
Yeah, I made it because I was in Alabama yesterday.
You have that too, right? My love, you have that. It's so nice, right?
Oh my god.
I forget how tiny he's going to be. This is so
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh.
I always forgot what a newborn size is.
That's actually 3 to 6 months.
Is it?
6 months, yes. Imagine how small the
I know.
newborn is.
I know it is.
Because a lot of people gave me gifts, newborn, they weren't able to wear it because my kids are like 9-pounders. Yeah, no, they look like 2 years
Yeah,
old
no,
when they
I
were
swear.
born.
Love it.
Ang social naman nalagay ng diaper.
Wow.
It's a nice diaper. Yeah, exactly.
It goes with your dress.
It does perfect.
There's a note, there's a note.
Oh, there's a note.
Exactly.
No, yung congrats to the new cutie baby number 3 with emotions.
Make it sound like an audio guide.
Congrats to the new cutie baby number 3.
I told you audio guide level.
Number 3. Thank you for allowing my little family to see this journey of yours. I admire you so much for everything you do and you will do. You are one of the most gracious, generous, kind-hearted, and gentle soul I have met. And you are one true gentle woman. We love you so much.
I love it.
I remember it just like yesterday when I first met you at work in 2014. Who knew what the universe could do? From 2 rings and 2 I do's on June 5th, 2021 to having our 2 beautiful babies, Onyx and Araya. With every step we take, the stars align. With every moment that goes by, and you have all of our hearts now and for all time. So in a world where you can be anything, remember to always be kind. And there's no doubt in our mind, that's why the stars align. We put our faith in the universe, and we are unstoppable.